In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I'll show you how you can put the device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a USB Type-C cable plugged into your computer, so you can plug it in right away. And once you have it plugged into your computer, hold your, not the power key actually. Oh, there we go. So we want to select power off. And once it's off, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So I'll do that right now. And as you can see, this will immediately take you to recovery mode. So from here we can unplug the device. And in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options. So volume up goes up and down goes down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. That being said, from here we can reboot the device back to Android, reboot to bootloader, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, on system, view logs, run test, and power off the device, along with last option, repair apps. So whatever you select, like I mentioned, you confirm with power key, and because I want to leave this mode, I did select reboot system now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.